Oh, went to Walmart today and picked up a couple boxes of these. Put them all in one. Make it easier. Got 4 boxes. See if we can make the Lorenzo brothers proud. And we got a relic. Or a mat, or something. Let's see. Alexa Bliss. Asuka. Rita, Renee Young, Charlotte, Usos. Renee Young, Mandy Rose. Oh, Chris Jericho. Tori Wilson, Kathy Kelly, Nia Jax, Peyton Royce, Sasha and Charlotte, Champion Nikki Bella, Champion Trish Stratus, Aaliyah, and the relic is. If the rest of these are equally as bad as this, I hate life. Rosa Mendez matte relic. I don't know if it's possible to get worse than that. We shall see. Pack number 2. Another relic. Liv Morgan, Trish, Charlotte, Brie and Brian, Charlotte, Nikki, Bailey, Lita, Rosa, Naomi, JoJo, Leilani, Kyle, Under Blaze, blah, 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 Bailey, Nikki, Lana, Bliss, Elizabeth, Natty, Emma, Becky, Lita, Summer, Beth, Nikki, Lana, Rusev, Charlotte, Team PCB, Wendy Richter, Renee, Kathy Kelly, and the relic is another matte relic. This time, at least it's better than Rosa Mendez. Matte relics, though. Box number 3. Can I just get an autograph? Well, here's another matte relic. Yep, all the same ones. We're just going to go right to the matte relic and make Jake miserable. Another matte relic of Naomi. 0 for 3. Last one. Thank fucking fully. Another relic. At least it's not a matte relic, and I'll take this. A shirt relic of Alexa Bliss. I'll take it. I'll really take it. I can't see it. Glare. 20 of 25. Unless we finished alright. And Naomi, Rosa Mendez. Asuka's numbered 169 of 199. Rosa, 25 of 199. Oh, Naomi, 23 of 50. Not bad, I guess, but whatever. All right. See you guys next time.